Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by confirming the controller model and grabbing a data-capable USB cable. This matters because charge-only cords won't transmit input. Once you plug the cable into a free USB port on your Windows 10 or 11 PC, Windows begins installing drivers automatically. This provides the device interface so games can see button presses. Make sure you use a USB port on the PC itself rather than an unpowered hub, and keep the controller connected while drivers finish so detection completes. Once done, verify detection by opening Device Manager and locating the controller under the proper category. This step shows whether the driver loaded correctly. If Windows didn't auto-install, run Windows Update or download the Xbox Accessories app from the store to update firmware and settings. In many PC games or Steam Big Picture, you may need to enable Xbox controller support so button mapping works. Take a moment to test a few buttons in the app to confirm firmware and input are functioning before finally test the controller using Windows Game Controller Setup or an online tester so you can see button mapping and axis movement in real time. This helps isolate issues like dead buttons or stick drift. If inputs are missing, try a different USB port or a known good cable. Many problems are cable or port related. If problems persist, uninstall the device from Device Manager and reconnect to force a fresh driver install. And make sure Windows is fully updated to avoid compatibility gaps.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.